AC units, but I wanted to post the answer of what was wrong as soon as I have an answer when the AC guy comes tomorrow. Guess I'm gonna have to turn it off and turn it back on again and try the video again here. Oh. There, hopefully you can hear that little buzz. It tries to start, you know, kind of that sound when the AC tries to kick on, aside from the actual fan sound. It like tries to kick on and then it like gives up. Our AC is not cooling at all. It's just blowing warm air, room temperature air. Kind of happened overnight, really. This morning, temperature started falling behind pretty quickly. After every 20 or 30 minutes, the degree in the house was going up by 1 or 2 degrees every 20 or 30 minutes. Of course, the weather here is like 95 degrees today, heat index over 100. Seems like when weather's like this, makes things fail, brings things to light a lot quicker. But as soon as I have the answer of what's wrong, I'm gonna put it with this video and have another part in this video and put it all together, and hopefully I can help someone else out. It's been a while since I did the first part of this video. I wanted to do the second part here. Hopefully you can tell the difference in the sound between the first video. If you listen, there isn't just the fan blowing. There's also like a hum, like a motor sound. And there was indeed the capacitor went bad. They replaced it. Capacitors are like $15 to $30, and well, anyway, the whole service trip was $80 for their time and replacing the capacitor. So we got cold AC again.